It's another installment of Wardy Screencast. This one shall be very brief. How to create a blog post. So now you've created your page. This is CMS used to have a school newspaper before when I had digital journalism classes. But anyway, so this is your blog. Alright, all I do is this. It's my home page, blog page, hit text box. It's going to insert a text box. You want, and I'm assuming you've already read your article, figure out what you want to say. So title. So your headline goes here, hit enter, and then tab in and just start typing your blog post. Blog. When you're done, go up and hit publish, and your site is updated. To get your link, copy the link, and then you're going to go to Google Classroom, submit it with the assignment, which will be posted when class starts of blog post 1. Make sure you submit that. That's really all there is to it. So again, insert text box, title for your headline, then hit enter. You should be able to create your blog. If it goes below and you want it above, you can reorder it that way. And that's really all there is to it. So Wardy is out.